Pumping alone at their respective constant rates, one inlet pipe fills an empty tank in 1/2 capacity in 3 hours. And then it talks about the other pipe, same empty tank to 2/3 of capacity in 6 hours. So let's think about how long it would take to fill it completely. So if it takes 3 hours to get 1/2, that means it would take 6 hours to completely fill it. And the other one takes 2/3 in 6 hours, so 3, 3, 3. So 9 hours for it to completely fill it up. And we're trying to figure out how many hours will it take both pipes pumping together to fill the empty tank. So this is what we're trying to find is X. And this column time, this represents individual times. If pipe 1 is working by himself, it takes 6 hours. Pipe 2, 9 hours. This rate, this represents when the pipes are working together. So you take the reciprocal of the time column. So that would be 1/6. So you think of that as pipe 1 can do 1/6 of a job. Pipe 2, 1/9. And then together would be 1/x. And your equation always comes from the rate column. So they're working together, so you want to add these. Pipe 1 plus pipe 2 equals together. And clear your fractions by multiplying everything by 18x. And that would give me 3x plus 2x equal 18. 5x equal 18. X equals 18/5. And if I look at my answers, they're in decimal form. So 5 will go into 18. 3 times 5 is 15. 3, bring down a 0, 3.6. There's your answer.